Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mark. Well, event number 2 for U.S.A. Bassin out of the southern Missouri region for bull shoals and Taneycomo went poorly. I weighed another 3 fish bag with Drake. Again, we lost fish that mattered. We lost 2 fish that mattered big time. Weights were way down across the board. And I don't know how many people had weighed fish by the time, but when we left, leading was only 11 pounds. 11 and a half or something like that. But we had about 5.5 pounds and 3 fish. It was piss poor. I lost 2 good fish. I know for sure one of them we can watch right here. This was with 15 minutes to go in the event. Got him. Big one. Big chick. Big. God. That one hurt. You can see right where the failure, where the breakdown was in this fish. I paused right before I got to the boat and gave it enough time to shake and get off. My bad. But at any rate, you know, you can't lose fish. And the name of the game here, you know, we were trying for points anyway, and I just couldn't find the spots. The spot I did catch was pretty chunky, and but I wanted to get 5 of them and then go look for bigger fish because, like I said, points do matter here. Okay, you're good. Go.
There's either a delay or they start it and tell you to be careful.
Big one. Can you hand me that scale? I don't know. Shut that skin. No. 14. Oh, go fish. Throw that this guy around, bud. Throw this guy. Will you measure that? Yeah. Or grab the board. All right, he's good. Think we can get more? Huh?
I don't know.
What do you got on?
That's it.
What?
It's fake.
Okay. Oh. Do you have a Cinco on? Do you have a Cinco tie on?
No, just the one with the weight.
The other one's bigger. This one's 15. 14. Here. Go up in front and cast that way. We got another paper spot. Got him. Big. Here, put him on the tag and get him in the box.
Where's the tags?
In the back, in the live well.
Go ahead, bud.
Wow. That missed fish cost us a win. That's heartbreaking. It happens though. It happens. Oh, it was like 11 something.
11.
Nothing. Just very low. 4 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna just continue to have a great day. Short boat ride home. Anyway, it sucked, but good news on the horizon. I have fiber now. We're gonna go back live. We're gonna be doing a lot of that. We're gonna be doing a podcast. I cannot wait to do this stuff. Drake's gonna be involved when we fish. We didn't yesterday. He came home. He did not feel well yesterday, and he actually had to miss baseball practice. He felt so poorly. So anyway, we didn't do anything yesterday. So after the tournament, everybody kind of chilled out. So you guys, I'll tell you what. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for following along. The next 3 events, we moved to Lake Taney, Como. And you're going to start to see big fish caught in tournaments. It's going to be cool. So I'll see you guys real soon. Take it easy.